Rich, what's going on, brother?
Hey, brother, how are you?
I'm doing
Good
great.
morning. This is one of the best mornings we've had in Georgia in quite a while, huh?
Fantastic day.
Golly.
Yeah.
Anyway, so why are we here today, Mike?
Well, we haven't put a video out in a while,
Yeah,
so
I know.
we needed to do something. So today we're going to talk about 5 things I hate about this car.
You have 5 things you hate about this car?
Well, not really.
Okay, but we're gonna have some
But we're
fun
going to have
anyway.
some fun anyway. So, yeah. Well, Rich, I'm going to tell you about the first thing I hate about this thing.
Okay, and what would that be, Mike?
Well, it's right under this bonnet.
What could possibly be under there that you don't like?
That 5.0 Coyote engine.
You don't like the 5.0 Coyote?
It's double the horsepower of the original. I don't
Oh.
like that.
Well, that is so that's unacceptable.
Unacceptable. And it's got fuel injection.
Oh, yeah. I mean, where's the challenge in that?
Well, I just missed the carburetor where I had to screw with it at least
Oh.
once a month or something.
Yep, leaks and hard starting in the cold. I mean, that's part of the fun of having these old cars, isn't it? And you took that away.
I know. It
What
was
were you
stupid.
thinking?
It was stupid on my part. I agree. I should have never done that. So anyway, that's my number 1 issue with this car.
I see.
So we're
Well,
just going to close this back up.
yeah, it just makes you sick looking at it, doesn't it?
Disgusting. All right, let's talk about number 2.
Number 2, what's that, Mike?
These crappy brakes I got on here.
Ah, okay. What's crappy about them? You got disc brakes all around.
Yeah, but I missed the drums.
You do? Why's that?
Well, think about it. Some of the part of the driving experience is the stopping experience.
Sure.
Drums offered that. You go left, you go right.
Oh, the excitement of not knowing what it's actually going to do?
No, and that was part of the fun.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, and so
I get what you're saying.
So yeah, we got 14-inch brakes, and then ABS and all. I wish I'd have never done it.
Kind of took all the character out of the car, didn't it?
No fun.
Oh.
That's number 2. Here's number 3 I hate about.
Number 3 already. I can't believe you're already there. And what would that be, Mike?
Well, I kind of miss the old days of the key in the trunk.
Sure.
This thing's electric,
Oh, that's just too easy.
and it's it's kind of boring.
Yep.
And I wish I'd have kept the key there just because I'd have to get the keys to
Yeah.
unlock it, or
Exactly.
I can't just press a button inside and unlock it.
Oh,
I've got to get a key out.
yeah. And where's the challenge in that? Because with these old cars, you always lose that key,
Exactly.
and then you have a little fun of trying to get in there.
So you don't have back in the day you had 2 keys. You had one for ignition, and
That's
one for the
right.
doors and the trunk.
Now you don't have
Now
that.
it's all on one key. I mean,
Oh.
who wants that?
I certainly don't.
But yeah, and then the trunk's finished. You don't even get to see the fuel tank like you did back in the
Oh
original
yeah, you're
1970s.
right.
I just hate that part.
You're right. Do you have at least have that plaid mat in there?
No, it's
Oh,
carpeted.
jeez.
Unfortunately, I couldn't,
That's just not right, Mike.
I know. And it's got a full-size spare instead of a space saver like the originals. You
Oh,
had the
yeah.
little tank you had to blow it.
Oh yeah.
This has got a full-size spare. What's the fun in that?
There's no fun in
I don't
that.
know if the little tank's going to work and blow the tire up so you can keep going down the road. I've got a real spare.
I can see where you made the mistakes on there, Mike. It's
Just disgusted. I mean,
that's
really just
that's
disgusted.
that's a shame, isn't it?
So that was my number 3.
Okay. All right. I guess this list is just getting a little too easy, huh?
Yeah.
You didn't realize all the things you hated about it.
I hate it. I absolutely hate it. All right, Rich, let's talk about number 4.
Already at number 4, man.
Unbelievable.
This is just a little too effortless, isn't it?
We're going to have to come inside here.
Okay. Well, what in the interior could you possibly not like, Mike?
Well, I hate this dash.
The dash? Why?
Well, because it's modern. It just, I missed the 70.
You took a little bit of the character out of this car, didn't you?
Yeah, but the 70, how the speedometers bounce around and
Oh,
stuff.
I love that on the
miss
old
that
cars.
stuff.
Yeah.
And so I just don't like it. And it's, it's got all the modern conveniences, just like, it's got the button for the trunk, and
Oh, you have a button
turn
there
traction
too?
control on and off and stuff. I just, there's just too much stuff going on in here for me. And
Nice. Yeah, it's a little too busy and polished for a 70, isn't it?
And the other thing I miss is the wood grain.
Oh yeah.
You remember the wood grain?
That fake sticker
It
stuff?
was real, man.
That was real.
That was real.
Oh,
wood
my.
grain. It wasn't fake.
Okay.
That's what made
That made the
high-end
character of the
deluxe.
car.
Remember the deluxe?
Oh yeah.
So anyway, and tilt steering.
Oh, my.
Who needs that?
No one needs that. You put the steering wheel where you have it, and that's it.
But all these buttons and
Yeah.
I'm just disgusted with it.
It just doesn't fit, really, does
No,
it?
it doesn't.
You took all the character out of the 70.
Should have had my head examined getting rid of that old dash.
I should have told you that, but I didn't even think about
Yeah,
that, to
same
be
with-
honest with you.
Same with the seats, like over here on this center panel. Check
Yeah.
this out. So this is one of these aftermarket kits, because I hate factory stuff. And,
Yeah.
But it's got, heated seats, and
Oh, wow.
I can read my gauges and climate control.
They didn't
and-
need that in the 70s. They were hardier back then, weren't they?
Well, you were tough back then
Yeah.
too. You didn't have all these.
I guess we've gotten soft in our old age.
Yeah, the damn modern conveniences
Oh.
are more of an inconvenience than
Yeah,
anything.
overrated.
I just, yeah.
Yeah,
Disgusting.
makes you sick. Golly.
Rich, I want to cover number 5, brother.
What would that be, Mike?
Last thing I hate about this car
What's that?
is horrible burnout.
Horrible burnouts? What are you talking about?
I hate this car. Cheers, brother.
That was a good little tongue-in-cheek video we did on the 70. I hope you all enjoyed it.
Yep.
It's one of the most popular cars on our channel. It's the first video. And if you haven't seen it, please check it out. It shows the build and everything and all that you went through in building it.
Yep.
Since it is the most popular car on the channel, we figured we'd do a little video on it just to highlight it, have some fun,
Yeah.
and get it out there
We haven't
again.
seen it in a while. So,
Yeah.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
been 2.5 years since I finished it. And
Yeah.
the only thing, like I
It's
said,
been rock solid.
the only thing I dislike about the car is the color. It's just cause it's hard to keep clean.
Yeah, not because you don't like the color. It's like a black car.
Yeah.
It just shows every bit of dirt.
Yeah.
Luckily on video it doesn't.
Looks great on
It
video.
looks great on video. But yeah, we hope you all enjoyed the video. It was a little tongue-in-cheek thing, and
Yep.
if you did, please like
Subscribe.
and share. Oh
Notification
yeah,
bell.
notification bell.
Yeah.
Y'all take care.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. First thing I hate is the damn rooster next door. You hear him?
Yeah, I do. That sucks. Shut up!